So I ordered stuff from Oh Dear like a month or so ago, and it got lost in customs for like a month. So it was chilling in Memphis. It was in Memphis for the longest time. I don't remember what I ordered. Pretty sure there was like some mystery box involved. Don't know. It looked like a good deal. So I have some Lucky Dip stuff. I don't think I'm doing any art right now, but I need to figure out what I ordered. Lucky Dip, I guess. I don't know what this is. Oh my word, what is this? Oh, big box. These muscles. It is an artful box. Another artful box. Holy crap, what the hell did I order? I don't know what I ordered. Shit. I don't know if I want to... Okay, so these two... Let's do it this way. These two, this one and this one, I will save for future videos. Will not touch them yet. As much as I want to see what's inside, I'm going to behave and not do anything. I will open this and play with the supplies, and then I will open these Lucky Dips. I have never ordered from this company before. It's my first time. Do not know what to expect. It says keep going. We have it's pretty freaking stupid. It's so stupid, it's hilarious. Okay, so yes. I think I know who I want to give that to, actually. That looks good. You know, here's the thing. I was going to mail my mom something, actually, today. And I think she lives like 3,000 miles away from me. So I actually get a little cheap on the postage and I mail her stuff, but I'm also mailing stuff to my brother and my sister. I make her pass them out. So I'm going to, I think, give this to my brother, whose birthday was recently. And then I think for my sister, it says there is so much out there for you. I think as a motivational thing, because she's just going through a hard time. And these are sticker sheets. I don't know what a sticker sheet is. I'm a little... Okay. I don't know what it is. I guess they're stickers. Okay. Sure, why not? It was like $1. Whatever. Keep going, right? Oh, I broke the sticker. Like, yeah. This is not for me. I don't know how people, like at Christmas and stuff. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at this. I actually like this. I don't know what I would use it for, but I want it. And I have it. What do you use paper with dots on it for? Like, except for that game, the dot game when you make the squares and stuff. But that's a lot of paper for those squares. Maybe it's like calligraphy? I think calligraphy has dot paper. I need to practice my calligraphy. I'm left-handed. So I get very frustrated with calligraphy because everything, all the teachers and stuff are all right-handed, and the pens all designed for right-handed people. So the way I hold a pen, which is kind of like this, the pen ink doesn't flow out properly. Yeah, I have a left-handed calligraphy pen that I've never used, but I have one. And let's see what this is. How do you open it? Okay. Hey! Okay. What do we have in here? Oh, I think I remember what this is. Okay. Maybe I remember what this is. Besides tissue paper. Fill that out. Okay, I kind of remember what this is now. I don't know what the other two boxes are, but this little one, I remember what I ordered. What in the world is this, and why is it dirty already? Like, I'm the one that's supposed to dirty this stuff. Okay, artful. Oh, these are cards. Oh, the cards. Okay, cards, envelope, card, envelope. I guess I can make one. I can make a Mother's Day card. It's after Mother's Day, but she doesn't know that. She doesn't watch my YouTube. Don't tell her. Okay, so what am I making it with? I am using pastels. I have two different kinds of pastels. So, yes, we will make my mom a drawing on the card here for Mother's Day. It is, what do I want to do? I know what she likes. We got this. We got this. I have some cheap watercolor, Walmart brand watercolor paper to swatch out these.
Lonely, walking back home, drawing in the breath and feel the cold wind right to the bone, yeah. Perhaps it's good that I'm alone so you don't see my face, the way that I'm trying to hide my tears. I've got to carry on. I'm walking away now that the pretty picture's gone, now that I know what's going on. Walking home alone with everything I know, thinking she's gotta be missing me. She must be. We used to be so strong. Tell me, where did we go wrong? So honey, before the night is through, I'm gonna miss you too. Wishing, waiting for time to open up my heart and see a new way, a new place for me. I don't know if I should laugh or cry when I'm trying to figure out what's wrong. Why I can't carry on and see the day that my memories are gone, the moment I've waited for so long. Walking home alone with everything I know, thinking she's gotta be missing me. She must be. We used to be so strong. Tell me, where did we go wrong? So honey, before the night is through, I'm gonna miss you too. This phase I'm in, it's like I'm just flying into space, and I just can't erase that she's gotta be missing me. She must be, used to be so strong. Tell me, where did we go wrong? So honey, before the night is through, I'm gonna miss you. Walking home alone with everything I know, thinking she's gotta be missing me. She must be, we used to be so strong. Tell me, where did we go wrong? So honey, before the night is through, I'm gonna miss you too.
Alright, so here's my little card. These are very hard. And the ones I already own are very soft. And there's no black or white or gray in here, so I substituted this, but I found out they didn't like to mix very well. So yeah, so this was, I cheated over here with just the white and the black to make a sailboat, because I didn't know how else to make a sailboat. Anything else I put in there, it wouldn't look like a sailboat, like any other color. So yeah, it's okay. The paper is not meant for pastels. The paper, pastels, you really need pastel paper. You really, really need pastel paper. Even watercolors, pastels just don't work properly on anything but pastel paper. However, my mom will enjoy this little homemade card, even though it's completely bombed with powder and dust and everything else. But she's a mother. Mothers like absolutely anything their children make. So I could have just scribbled over this and she'd be like, oh my god, it's the most amazing thing ever. But I didn't. I tried really hard, so I hope she actually likes it. Anyway, yeah. So I have two boxes to open at a later date. I have, what else do I have? Oh my god, I have so many things. I still have 3 scroller boxes. I think that's it for now. I'm pretty sure that's it for now. Probably isn't. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And take care. Bye.